Hey and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be trying out the Nars Soft Matte Advanced Perfecting Powder. I got the shade Seafront and we're gonna try this on. So this is what the packaging looks like. Sorry about the handprints. It's like a very thin compact. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to use the Nars Soft Matte Primer. So now I'm just going to set my foundation using the Nars Soft Matte Advanced Perfecting Powder, and I have the shade Seafront, and I'm going to use this to set my whole entire face. Okay, I like this powder. Alright, so, well, this is so pretty. Okay. Alright, so I'll tell you the rest of my thoughts in a second. Let me finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. Okay, so my final thoughts on the Nars Soft Matte Advanced Perfecting Powder. As an overall face powder, this powder works very, very well, especially with the soft matte foundation. Let me know down in the comment section below, how do you guys like this shade on me? On the website, it matched me to High Tide, but I thought High Tide was too bright, so I ended up going with the darkest shade, which is Seafront. I really like how it paired with the foundation, the concealer, and the other powders that I used. I feel like it's a great overall powder. If you don't have a powder to set your foundation, I would say go out and get this. If you are closer to my shade, I would suggest Seafront, which is the shade that I got. And I wear Marquise's in the Nars Soft Matte foundation. I would highly suggest this powder. I mean, for $36, if you don't have one that works well for you already, then I would say go out and get this. But if whatever you have is working, I wouldn't say go spend the extra money if you don't really have it. But it is a really good powder, and I'll see you in the next video. Till next time.
Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow, jam.